Hello everyone, it's Magic here, and today I have kind of quick update video for you guys. It's gonna be a fun video, I hope. So I'm packing for a wedding, I'm traveling tomorrow for a wedding, and I actually recently sold my cameras. So I don't have my two A7 IVs with me, I'm not taking them with me on that trip, and I replaced them with new cameras for this wedding season. It was kind of a sudden change, so let me unbox these cameras with you and explain why did I switch my A7 IVs for these cameras. And if you probably guessed already what kind of cameras are these. So these are brand new two A7RV units. Okay, so let's open these boxes. Oh yeah, so this is it, very nice box, A7RVs. 2 units. Let's bring it out. So there are 2 cameras inside. So what I do, I always use dual cameras. That's how I shoot, and this is why if I'm changing cameras, I'm gonna change 2 of them simultaneously. I don't know how to take them out from this. Oh come on, I'm gonna have to do it really fun way. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, like this. Tap da 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 tap 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 tap. Yeah, that was not glorious at all because you couldn't see the actual box. So yeah, these are new to Alpha. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna unbox one now. Yeah, so I have multiple videos explaining how I use cameras at weddings, how I use A7 IV at weddings, and I do think that A7 IV is actually a better just wedding only camera. Like for weddings you don't need 60 megapixels, so this like A7R5 is kind of overkill for weddings. The main reason I decided to pull the trigger and switched my 2 A7 IVs for this bad boys is actually that I got a pretty good deal. So I just get to replace them one-to-one without any additional cost basically. So having just, you know, better and newer cameras, you know, for this season was just no-brainer with option like this. But also, because I do test a lot of lenses, so let's open. I have no idea what's this. Oh, this is the cable management thing, I think. Yeah, you put this in the camera and you manage your cables. That's nice. That's a nice addition. So A7R5 has definitely more stuff in the box than A7 IV had. We have 2 plugs, different ones. Oh, by the way, did I show you my knife that I got from Sony? It has my initials. Wait, maybe I did not explain myself much. I am a Sony Europe ambassador, so I work closely with Sony. I make a ton of events with Sony. I make a ton of workshops with Sony. This is how I could get a good deal on getting these cameras, basically. But yeah, let's open it up. A lot of papers here, nothing interesting. Bam, the strap, the camera, the charger. I missed the charger. So the chargers were not there with A7 IV, they are with A7R5. So again, I do think that this is kind of overkill for just shooting weddings, but because I'm testing a lot of lenses and cameras all the time from Sony, I have new lenses every now and then to test out. I always have to borrow A7R5 from them for loan because I need to have more megapixels to test lenses, and this became very painful to constantly being like, oh, can I borrow A7R5 for this weekend? Can I borrow A7R5 for that weekend? And then I would travel with my own cameras, and then on top of that I would travel with the test cameras that I've been using, because the way I like to shoot 2 identical cameras. I don't want to mix cameras. I don't want to shoot one high megapixel camera and one lower megapixel camera. So that was like main thing. This is a beauty. That's it. That's a very simple unboxing. That's the camera. There's a strap, there's a charger, and then there's USB-C cable. Very nice. That's it. I'm gonna keep this inside the box because I don't need any of this. I'm gonna put it back. So yeah, let me just unbox the second camera as we are just having a little chat, a casual chat here. Bam, the second A7R5. Yeah, so that was kind of the main reason, and then I'm ending up having just newer cameras, and for the YouTube purposes I also like having a newer and better cameras because I get to show whatever is the newest tech. So A7R5 is the current newest tech from Sony, so that's also a good thing to have in my opinion. Okay, let's unbox this beauty. Everything here is the same. Cable, actually I don't need these cables, but and the camera, come on bad boy, and a charger. Also, since my A7 IV units were quite new, I could sell them still at a good price. So I was able to get rid of them before they become less expensive and before they have like much more wear on them. So I had like 60,000 clicks on each of the cameras. So that's not a lot. So I was able to sell really good, nice pieces. So this is it, two A7R5s. This is what I'm taking. There's a couple lenses. This is what I'm packing actually. I'll give you a little preview, but this is, you're gonna see in a separate video, my kit for this year. I'm waiting for one new thing. So this is just a little teaser. So this is everything I'm gonna take with me, including the camera up here that is filming. And yeah, if you have any questions about anything here, let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna be making a separate video about that. I'm gonna be making a separate video about my way of using A7R5s because I already have ideas how to set these up for my wedding photography work. And yeah, until then, thanks so much for watching. I see you next one. Bye.